we will discuss 3 basic laws of indices in this video. One more law will be discussed in upcoming videos. First one is law of multiplication. According to this law, when we multiply the same bases, we simply add their powers. It means, if we multiply 2 expressions having same bases, which is a, here, we will add their powers, m plus n. Second law is law of division, which says that, when we divide the same bases, we subtract their powers. If we divide 2 expressions having the same bases, we will subtract their powers, m minus n. Note, here we cannot do n minus m. We subtract power of numerator by power of denominator. Then we have law of powers. In this case, we multiply powers, m and n. To understand the law of multiplication, let's consider some examples. First, consider if powers are positive integers. Here, 2 numbers of base 3 are multiplied. Base is the same and they are being multiplied, therefore, powers will be added, 2 plus 4. The answer will contain base 3 and power 6. You may be thinking, why do we need to use this law, as we can solve it without it? You are right, this simple question can be solved easily, like this. But what if these powers are large numbers, fractions or decimals? Then the law of indices is the only choice. In the second example, we are taking negative powers. Here, we have taken a variable as a base, instead of a number. According to the law of multiplication, we will add -1 and -2. Therefore, the result will be y to the power -3. We can also solve this example like this. No matter if the powers are integers or fractions, we will add powers. In case of surds, first we will convert surds into power form, and then add powers in the same way. As we know, the law of division says that, when bases are the same, subtract power of numerator by power of denominator. In the first example of positive integer power, base is the same, that is 7, therefore we will subtract power of numerator, which is 3, by power of denominator, which is 4. Getting result, base 7, and power -1. It's working without applying the law of division, is also given here. Same rule will be applied with negative powers also. In case of fractions also, powers will be subtracted. But in case of surds, we cannot subtract surds directly. Instead, we have to convert first surds into exponents, then we will subtract them. Law of power is also very easy. Just multiply powers. For example, in the first example, we will multiply 3 by 2 to get 6. Its alternate solution is also given. For negative powers, we will do the same, and in this example, we will multiply 3 by -1 to get -3. Here are some more examples. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon.